Okay, so I have the hiccups. Really, really, really bad. Like, really bad. Hold on. You'll be able to hear them in a second. Let's put this phone right here. Shit, I keep hiccuping. This is the old wives' tale, like, thing that I've been told that cures hiccups. And I've tried it a few times now. We'll try more. Have my glass of water. Okay, so we're gonna try. So light them all, and then drop them. And then drink it. Oh, God. See if it works. Yeah, let's see if it works. It's all the matches that I used. Oh my God.